guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my pamper routine. So the first thing I did was just get in the shower and shave, and then once I came out of the shower I put my hair in this little like twisty towel thing, and then I went along with my skincare routine. If you guys want to see a more in-depth video of my skincare routine, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and I'll be sure to do it. While I'm doing my skincare routine, I thought I'd tell you guys that today, as I was filming this is currently the last day of winter break, which is so sad. So I really needed to take this last day in and relax. Now, to give myself the extra pamper, I use this vitamin E cream on my 2 chickenpox scars because it helps heal them. And then I also got some Vaseline and I put it under my eyes, which helps depuff them, which I desperately need. Then I went over to the bath and I filled it up with water. Here is this amazing time lapse of me filling up my bath with water. And once that was filled, I got my bath bomb and put it in there. And then once that was kind of spread out everywhere, I added some nice little bubbles that I used to use all the time when I was a kid, and they smelled super good. Then I just relaxed in the tub and I watched some of The Office, and then I also went on my phone and I went on my Instagram. I also played some games on my phone, so this one is called Flappy Dunk. Then I got out of the tub and I got into some really comfy clothes and I put some moisturizer on my legs. This is the Warm Vanilla Sugar from Bath & Body Works, and I always lack moisturizing my legs. I always forget about it. So since I was pampering myself up, I made sure to moisturize them, and I also went and moisturized my elbows too. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I know this video was pretty short, but I promise you guys I'll have a longer video next time, and it's just because I didn't really want to spend a lot of time of me filming in the bathtub and stuff. I hope you guys had a great winter break, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!